Step into the 2007 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Mitsubishi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Mitsubishi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.